Here I have Motorola Edge 30 Pro, and today I'm going to show you how to take burst shot or the series of photos on this device. So firstly you have to open camera, and here in camera just hold down your finger on the shutter button, and after that it will take a burst shot. So as you can see, it takes like 22 shots, and now we can view them here just like this. So yeah, and that's how it's done. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.